Hello traders, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I am going to explore the exchange BITBABY, where you can easily start your futures or spot trading. You can also get smart and grow faster toward financial freedom. I am going to search for each and everything about it. You can even download the app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So, let's get started. Please note, we are not financial advisors. Do your proper research before making any moves. You can come to the exchange where you can see new startups. If you are new here, you will see new tokens being listed and new event campaigns you can participate in. Next, you can also find the crypto assets listed with lots of numbers that you can easily understand to start trading. You can also check out their updates. Next, you can find out about BITBABY, your ultimate AI trading system. This AI is going to help you with trading by analyzing market reviews and strategies. You can copy strategies and use the AI strategy. You can also check the top services. On this platform, you can find 300 plus cryptocurrency pairs. You can start your trading with opportunities for 24/7 team support. They are also officially on Twitter and Telegram, where you can check their availability and get faster responses. Look at the smart transformation and real global search. So, what are you waiting for? I love the features, especially the lowest trading fees. It is near the minimum. There is safety, reliability, and proof of reserves. For new users upon registration, there are tasks and rewards. You can download the application from the Google Store and Apple App Store now. It offers multi-terminal spot trading, and you can easily manage your experience. There are 300 plus pairs available. You can check out the link in my video description. If you are new, click the link in the description. You need to go to the Sign Up option to create your account. Put in your email address and a password that should consist of 6 digits. Use the referral code I will provide in the description. Accept the terms and conditions and click Create your account. You can also log in through Google or Telegram. I am going to write all my information here. Once successfully entered, you will need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify. After that, a code will be sent to your email address for security. I received the code in my email and I have entered it. Click Next and the process is successfully complete. Now, it looks very awesome. You can get reward completions and join campaigns. BITBABY offers lots of opportunities. Make sure to follow their official Twitter and Telegram for the latest updates. After signing up, you can get daily check-in rewards. Click on the daily option and you can see that 20 baby coins have been given to us. You can also invite friends to get rewards, like 100 baby coins. Check your referral link to invite people to the platform. Remember to start your new epic journey and sign up for the bonus. There are lots of tasks you can complete in spot and futures trading. You need to create volume. There are limited time tasks and campaigns, like the Trading Carnival. You can grab these chances. Register, trade, and view trial funds. Look at the exclusive tasks in the Baby Coin store. You can claim 10 USDT or a trial fund. If you start a new epic journey and your trading volume reaches $10,000, you can get a $30 reward trial fund. Make sure you accept the terms and conditions and understand the rules. Finally, you can easily delete or download the application and understand the platform. Even new people can complete the journey. Enable Start Futures Trading and Spot Trading here. You can analyze the lots of pairs available. If you want to know about cross and leverages, up to 150 times leverages available. I hope you understand everything about the platform. I have already given the details. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.